So this was a wedding which was scheduled to take place in the month of April. And then coronavirus hit us and life changed. But of course, we did not allow it to dampen the spirits. And we as planners, along with the two families, decided that we're going to make this a wedding of a lifetime. And that is how we came up with the concept of 30 se 30 tak, which is that the celebration started on the 30th of August and they're going to keep rolling on until 30th of November. That is the D-Day. So, it's the 11th month of the year, and clearly that is the reason why we then decided to take the next step. That if you're going to just do virtual, we won't make it regular virtual. We'll actually make it a series comprising of 11 episodes, where every single episode is going to offer something new, something different, and it's all going to culminate into the grand wedding day. So, it's virtual event space, but we wanted to make sure it's not going to be a boring corporate feel. So we set up parameters right, even before working on the themes. We were very clear that we wanted to aspire not to bring a live space into a virtual space in front of your screen, but we actually wanted to work towards something that's going to bring in, say, the excitement of a web series, the acceptability of a television show, the precision in execution of a television show, but of course the craziness and the reality of running it absolutely live. And that is when we decided that once we've understood what is it that we're actually going to bring together, is when we put our team to task to come up with innovative themes. So we worked around a couple of them. One in which we had a strong connection amongst all the 11 episodes, and two themes which were not going to be, say, directly connected to each other. They were just going to be in individual independent space. And we did a lot of brainstorming, and we spent nearly 3 weeks working on different concepts, themes, building up the entire field. And then of course we discussed it with the client, and we then had our next parameter. What is it that you recommend? Is what our client asked us. Now, we decided to first of all take a decision as to which of these themes is novel and challenging. And believe it or not, that was the reason why we picked on the series that we have designed now. Because we were very clear, we wanted to do something that's going to be novel for the experience of 400-500 guests who log in every Sunday. And we wanted to equally make sure it's challenging, because at Swaha, we just don't like the regular. So we wanted to push the boundaries, and we were very clear on this front. So whilst one team was working on every single episode and what is it that we're going to add in as a novelty to a concept which was primarily based on a lot of popular reality shows, at the same time, we had another team that was only working on how do we drive in this entire concept of virtual space, virtual events, and make sure that the guests are not just coming as an obligation to the families, but actually coming because they want to be a part of the entire journey. So that's why we started cracking on the fact that it had to be a Sunday event for sure. And we wanted to then understand, what is it that I can tell my audience that is going to pull them to us? And that's when we came up with the idea of taking them back in time. So it was really cool. So we had a very cool, quirky invite where we spoke about the fact that years ago, people looked forward to Sunday for Ramayana and Mahabharata. And then there came a time when mobile took over our lives. And we did not want to spend time in front of television or with family, but we were all busy in our own little world. And of course, clubbing and the hangovers. And then there was lockdown, which forced all of us to reconnect back to our roots with our families. So it's now time for you to reconnect with your Sunday, and that's how we coined the term Sunday Fun Day. And that invite did the trick. It just got everyone so curious about what is it that we were planning, and that is how week on week, now it's been 6 weeks, that we have seen fantastic response coming in, and everyone is actually asking us, next Sunday kya kare? So that is what we set out to do, and we achieved a lot of success. There was a lot of process to it, but I think we did a great job with the Sunday Funday concept. And then, of course, we went on to our next step. Now, the next step was, how do you create buzz throughout the week? Because the client was very comfortable if we had just sent in probably say one invitation and stopped the journey there, but we did not want to stop there because we are Swaha. So we created an entire journey which we're following week on week with lots of interaction on an Instagram page, with quiz and contest and an invite which is truly movie promo style. And that is what has kept them on their toes. And the precision of the television show still continued, but the excitement of a live event is what truly came alive.